Hi, are you ready to make some money with epoxy?
Then we have the class for you.
Come visit us in sunny Las Vegas.
Our beautiful Seguin, Texas, and be ready to walk away with your first job.
In this 4-day class, we'll teach you designs your clients are going to go crazy for.
We'll teach you how to template, build, pour, and install countertops. We'll help you kick your profits into overdrive with epoxy flooring and showers.
In addition, we'll have sample contracts, Facebook marketing ads, a built-for-you personalized business website, branded video ads, and much, much more. Don't miss out on this exciting epoxy class.
Don't hesitate, spaces are limited.